To add email or phone number to your Apple account on iPhone 16e, we need to go to Settings, then tap on your Apple account over here at the top, go to Sign In and Security, and then over here we have email and phone numbers. We have everything that we have added to our account so far, and we can add email or phone number by using this text over here. So we can tap on this option, then we can either use existing email address, so we can use one of our email addresses if we already have another email. If you don't have your new email account that you want to add, then you can also create new iCloud email address, or you can choose phone number in order to add a phone number. And let's say I'm going to choose phone number, then we can choose the region as well as the phone number itself, and then press continue. And that's pretty much it. And then just simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen in order to finalize this process. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!